Hi, everybody. Happy February 1st. Happy Black History Month. Happy quarter three. Just a whole lot of, happiness being sent your way today. I'm going to keep this video pretty short, sweet, and simple and to the point. But there are a couple of things that I want to talk about. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the expectations with the video reflection, or I'm sorry, not the video reflection. I'm making a video. The calendar reflection, with your activities every week. A reminder, you cannot just put the dates. You cannot just write what day you did them. You need to write the actual activities that you do from those days, or you will not be given any credit for that one. That's the first question. It says, what activities did you complete? Not what days did you complete this. So please make sure that you're doing that. Also, please make sure that you are reaching out to me and asking me questions and things like that. Quarter three is a fresh start for everybody, so please do that. And a third thing is obviously your code for the week. Your code for the week, I want you to tell me one goal that you have now that we're halfway through the school year. I want it to be school related. It does not need to be Phi-Ed related. It could be for a different class, or it could just be about, school in general. But now that we're halfway through the school year, I want you to really think about it and write down one goal that you have for the rest of this school year. Okay, and that's going to be your secret code for this week. So again, please, you guys, make sure that you're reaching out to me and asking questions. Make sure that you're writing down the activities that you do. And I hope that you guys have a great start to the February month. And I will see you soon. Bye.